Ask her to use it.
Alana, can we use your flat iron to cook some bacon? Why not?
Tell her to wash it off.
But we can wash it. Okay.
She said no. Say please. Please.
She hung up.
She hung up. Bailey, I'm video recording you. I called you into my room for a specific purpose.
To do this?
To do what? to flicker your tongue?
Yes.
No.
What?
I realized that we may not. Stop getting so close. I realized that we may not have a flat iron to cook bacon with, but we have hair dryers. That's not gonna touch it. Like, that'll be fine, right? Let's do it.
That'd be gross.
Billy, come on.
No.
We're gonna do it.
That'd be so gross. Mike, I'm gonna cook it all the way.
No. You think that a hair flattener would do it better?
Yes.
Maybe. We'll see. Well, we won't be able to compare, but we'll see if a hair dryer will do an okay job. What's the worst that's gonna happen? Okay, so we have 3 hair dryers right now, and we're not sure which one's the hottest, so we have to test it out. I don't know why Bailey doesn't want to do this. It's not that hard. Now let's do it. Plug it in. That's medium. Next.
What? That was hot.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Crazy.
It's lukewarm air.
What?
It's taking a long time.
Good.
Let's try the third one just to see. That's the top contender right there, right now.
What? That one's fine. It's gonna smell like bacon.
You're gonna smell like bacon.
I don't want to smell like bacon.
God.
Because it's gross.
That's rude. Some people really like bacon.
Oh, this one doesn't work.
Yeah, it does. Press the red button or something. Is it on high?
Deal?
It's getting hotter. This one. That's perfect.
I'm gonna start making
Wait.
the bacon.
Right now. Billy, what's my new name?
Maya.
No, say it right. Or we can't start. Oh. Come on, say it, please.
No.
It's cocaine, in case you didn't remember.
I didn't.
Call me cocaine. Let's do this, Bailey. Cocaine, yeah? You're like a little cocaine.
What?
I don't know.
You're like a little girl.
Let's go. Ugh. Bailey's trying to ham it up for the cameras. Too bad I've got the bacon. Okay. We're not wasting this bacon, by the way, because it's like old.
Can I turn this on?